Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to do chapter number 10, Understanding Shapes, exercise 10.1. Okay, so question number 12, A. Here you have a figure given and you have to find out the values of angle AOD, angle BOC and angle BOD. Means all the angles, leaving only one angle is given, that is 47 degree. Okay. So as this angle is given, you know this angle and this angle both are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So we can write angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. This angle and this angle both are equal. Therefore angle BOD is also equals to 47 degree. So if this is 47, this will be also 47 degree. Now after this, you can see here that if you will add angle AOC and if you will add BOC, we are getting a straight line. Okay, it means they are linear pair, so that will give you, when you will add them both, will get 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Now putting the value of AOC, that is 47 degree, plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Angle BOC will be 180 minus 47. This will go here, so it will become minus 47. So that is equals to 133 degree. After this, if we have got this angle will also be equal, because again applying the same thing, vertically opposite angles are equal. So this will be also 133 degree. After that, question number 13. Here you have to find out the value of x. So you can see that both are vertically opposite angles. So we can write 2x is equals to 56 degree. So x is equals to 56 upon 2. That is 28 degree. After this, in part C, again we have to find the value of x. So as we can see, x and 96 and 2x all lie on the same line. Okay, it means all will add up to give you 180 degree. So we can write x plus 2x plus 96 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x plus 2x is 3x plus 96 degree is equals to 180 degree. So 3x is equals to 180 minus 96, that is 84 degree. So x will be 84 by 3, that is 28 degree. Now in question number 14a, here also we have to find out the value of x. So how to find the value? Again you can see they are making a whole circle. So the value for the complete angle or whole circle is 360 degree. So we'll add all the angles, that is equals to 360 degree. So 6x plus 60 degree is equals to 360 degree. So 6x is equals to 360 minus 60, that is 300 degree. So x is equals to 300 by 6, that is equals to 50 degree. Let's move on to the next question. In question number 15, it's given that one of the complementary angle is lesser 30 less than twice the other angle. Okay, so first of all let us take one angle be x, so the other angle will be automatically 2x minus 30, because this is 30 less than twice of x. Okay, so according to the question we can write adding these two will get 90 degree because both are complementary angles. So x plus 2x minus 30 is equals to 90 degree. So 2x plus x is 3x, so 3x minus 30 degree is equals to 90 degree. So 3x is equals to this 30 will shift over here, so minus 30 will become plus 30. So 90 plus 30 is 120. So 120 by 3, that is equals to 40 degree. Therefore we have got one angle is 40 degree, this one, and another will be put the value in place of x 40 degree. So 2 multiply 40 minus 30, that is 80 minus 30, that is 50 degree. So one is 50 degree, another one is 40 degree. Now in question number 16, here two supplementary angles are there and the ratio is given 9:6. Whenever the ratio is given, take the two angles be 9x and 6x. Okay, so according to the question or as per the question, 9x plus 6x is equals to 180 degree. So add them both, that is 15x is equals to 180. So x is equals to 180 by 15, that is equals to 12 degree. So after this, put the values in here in the place of x. So we get 9x is equals to 9 into 12, that is 108 degree. And another angle will be 6 into 12, that is equals to 72 degrees. So these are two supplementary angles. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.